Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Wednesday, and the date is the 4th of January 2022. Okay, Habibi, we were talking about weather. We said that the sun's energy caused the water cycle. Not only the water cycle, also it affects the weather. So as the sun heats Earth, the temperature will change. And changing in temperature means different kinds of weather. If the sun is too hot, so the weather will be too hot. But if the sun is far away and a little bit cold, so it's definitely gonna affect the weather. That's how we have different kinds of weather. Today you are going to learn how to measure the weather. First of all, have you ever tried to know how cold or hot is the weather today? Try. Okay, can you try and tell me?
Today is cold.
Today you feel it's cold? Okay, very good.
I would see from my phone.
Oh, you are going to see from your
Let's
phone.
look what I have.
Yes, Ismail, when you ask about how cold or hot the weather is, do you know what you are asking about?
I'm gonna see. Measuring weather.
Okay. Yeah, Ahmed, when you ask about the weather, how is it cold or warm? What does it mean? You are measuring what?
I still didn't see it's cold or no. What?
I just want to know. When you ask about how cold or warm the weather is, so you're asking about what? How much is the height of the weather?
No, yeah.
Height?
No, I mean how much hot or
Hot,
cold.
okay, or cold. Okay, what do we call it? How much hot or cold?
How much the weather is cold.
Okay, let me try in another way. If la samahallah, you are sick, okay? And you feel very hot, your body has fever. So you're going to measure what? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Huh? Your mother is going to measure what, ya Ahmed, when you have fever?
Maybe like I have corona or something.
No, she will measure your height. How tall you are you?
Yeah,
or
and
your weight?
No, she will see. She will see. She will catch my head. She will see.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Yes, please, ya Hamza, if you know it.
Thermometer.
Okay, she's going to use a thermometer. A thermometer is a tool. She's going to use a thermometer to measure how hot or cold something is, but we call it a temperature. So I need to know what is your temperature if you are sick, or if I want to know about the weather, I need to measure the temperature so I can know if it's cold or hot. And the tool that helped me to measure the temperature is the thermometer. We have a thermometer for bodies, for our health, our bodies. For food, we have a thermometer. You want to measure the food from inside. We have a thermometer for the weather. So the tool that you use to measure how cold or warm something is, it is called temperature. And the tool that we use it is thermometer. Now, there is two things I can say about thermometer. I can say the weather is 20 Celsius degree, or I can say it is 65 Fahrenheit. See? You have Celsius degree and Fahrenheit degree. Now these degrees are not the same, but here in Saudi Arabia, we always use Celsius. Now, if you open a weather application, you're gonna see the weather is 29C, 28C, 27C. So C means Celsius degree. Okay, so how can you measure the weather, how cold or hot it is? What tool are you going to use? Are you going to use a rain gauge, a wind vane? Excellent, a thermometer. You are going to use a thermometer to learn how cold or hot it is. And when I ask about the weather, how cold or hot it is, I'm asking about the time or the temperature or the length. How cold or warm it is. Is it time, temperature, or length?
The temperature.
Excellent, temperature. How can I use a thermometer? There is a red liquid inside.
We take it if the weather were cold or not cold.
Okay, there is a liquid, red liquid inside. Can you see the liquid over here?
Yes, yes.
This liquid will raise up if it's hot, and it will go down if it's cold. So if there is snow, okay, the degree of the temperature must be below 0.
They make something called phones to say. That's why they make phones. You can see from the phone if it's cold or hot.
Yes. So you have applications of weather that help you to know the temperature. So 306 يا ماما. It's here يا حبيبي. شوف. Here, 306. So you need to learn the tool, the name of the tool, ya Salim. You can measure the temperature, okay, using a thermometer. What do you use? A thermometer. And which degree you can use? You can use Celsius and Fahrenheit, okay? Now, not only the temperature we can measure, we also can measure the rain. If we want to know how much rain falls down to the ground, I can measure using a rain gauge. So a rain gauge will measure for you how much rain did it fall. So the rainfall for yesterday was...
You said what?
307 يا ماما. يا حبيبي, it's right here يا قلبي. Right here. Did you see it يا حبيبي?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, how can you measure the how can you measure the rainfall using a rain gauge? This is a rain gauge. It looks like a tube. All the water that comes from the rain will fall inside, and we will know how much inches or centimeter. So it is between 2 and 6 inches that we had rain. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's from 4 to 6 centimeters. So or 4 to 6 inches. So this is how much rain falls down. Not only the temperature and the rain we can measure, also we can measure the wind. If you want to know how fast the wind is blowing, you can use a wind meter. A wind meter will tell you how fast the wind blows. Okay, if you want to know the let's say the direction from where it starts.
That's the north and the east and the south and the...
These are the directions. Excellent. So the wind, I can know from where does the wind came. So did it came from east? Did it came from south? Did it came from west? So if I want to know, I can use this wind vane. On top of the wind vane, there is a hen. This hen is very, very important. Do you know why? Because the hen tells you where the wind is going, and the tail tells you where did it come from. Now, can you tell me, where did it come from?
East.
From east to excellent.
West.
So let's write down.
West.
Let's write it down. Yeah, let's write it down. So here I'm gonna write from east to west.
East to west.
From east to west. I'm gonna put make it smaller. Just a second. Okay. From east.
Miss, open the page.
Habibi, the page number is written over here. It's 307. Okay. Now what about the rain god? Rain god measures rainfall. How do you read the rain gauge? You look at the water in the gauge over here.
Yes, how many?
Read the number now. Where the water lines up? Huh?
4. Number 4.
4. Excellent. You can measure it by centimeters or inches. So 4 what? Is it inches or centimeters?
Inches.
Inches. Excellent.
Inches.
4.
Why you say
Now, what about the thermometer? What do we measure using a thermometer?
meters? For the sun. How cold, hot?
Excellent. How cold or hot something is. So this is a thermometer, and you use the red liquid to read the thermometer. You can see where does the thermometer lines up. Hi, Ahmed Zbedi. What is the temperature? Tell me in Celsius.
Yes.
Hi, Ahmed.
Yes, Miss.
Tell me, what is the temperature today? Look at the thermometer over here. Use the red liquid and read the number that the red liquid line up on.
Yes, 23.
Yes,
Above
23 what?
hot.
Cold.
Close.
Celsius. 23 Celsius. So you can measure using Celsius and Fahrenheit. If you finish writing, we are moving to the next page.
I finished.
Okay.
I finished.
And we did not finish.
I finished.
Yes, all of us.
I finished the first one. All of us finished.
Okay, so everyone, let's go to the next.
No, I didn't finish.
You can finish later, don't worry. Now, why
Okay, I can't
would you like to know about the weather? Why would you check about the weather? It's very important to check about the weather before you leave anywhere else, okay? If you want to plan a vacation, maybe you want to travel, what are you going to do first thing? You are going to...
Get ready for weather. You will see the weather.
I will see the weather. Why? So I can know what to wear. What should I wear? What should I do activities? You want to know what activities you are able to do. If it's very sunny and hot, what are you going to do?
I will not take anything.
You will go to where? Are you going to...
I will go to the beach.
Excellent, excellent.
Because the beach.
What are you going to wear if it's rainy?
The beach, like we get نتشمس.
Yes, so you can get tan. Do you put sunscreen?
No.
You have to, so you don't get burned.
Why no?
Yeah, so
I don't put sunscreen.
you have to, you must put sunscreen so you don't
No,
have
sometimes I don't.
burn spots.
Sometimes I
No,
don't.
I don't go to the beach.
What
Just I
about
go for
if it's
it in the
rainy? What
winter.
are you going to wear if it's rainy?
I go to the beach.
What are you going to wear if it's rainy?
A sweater.
A sweater or an umbrella. Okay. Yes, an
Mama,
umbrella.
I have an umbrella.
Baby, now
Also,
open with me to page 309. لو سمحتوا, please. Please, boys, 309.
I open it. open it.
Yes, page 309.
I open it.
All right. Now take a look at this one over here. What to wear? Look at the winter hat and the sunglasses. I want you to tell me in what type of weather do we need each of these, and how does it protect you from the weather?
Protect your head from the snow. In the
In
winter, we need to wear the winter hat.
In
And
winter,
if it's not winter, we wear sunglasses.
Excellent, excellent. It protects my head from cold weather. Very good. What about the sunglasses?
Sunglasses protect my eyes from the sun.
Excellent. Okay, in which type of weather do you use it?
Hot weather.
Or I say in sunny days. How does it protect me? It protects my eyes from
Yes, I don't use it.
rays. You have to. I think you must use.
Why we have to, Miss? Why, Miss?
Because it
I can't
protects
be-
your eyes from sun ray.
I can't be without it.
Okay. All right, Habibi. Okay, we're gonna revise again. but
Miss,
that
page
was
what?
everything for today.
Page
So
what?
stop the recording. It's page
Miss, I finished.
here, ya Abdulaziz. Can you read the page number?
finished.
Can you read the page number? Thank you. Okay, Habibi,
I
will only
mean,
stop the recording. Do not leave. We did
100,
not finish. Okay?
309.
Yeah, Abdulaziz, we do not leave. We did not finish. Okay? Let's say bye-bye to recording, boys.